Welcome to Playbot Pro. In this video, we'll show you how to create and test a WhatsApp bot effortlessly. Follow our step-by-step guide to set up your bot and test its functionality in real time. Let's dive in. Navigate to the Bot Manager section from the main menu. In the top right corner of the screen, locate the Create button. Clicking this button will present two options. Create from Library. This allows you to select from pre-designed bots tailored for various business use cases. You can explore and use these as needed. Create New. In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to create a bot from scratch using this option. There are two types of bots. Customer Initiated. This type is used when the customer starts the conversation. It doesn't require WhatsApp-approved templates, and the bot can respond using free-form messages. To be initiated by business. This type is used for sending broadcast or scheduled messages. WhatsApp-approved templates are required to start the conversation. Once the customer replies, the conversation can continue without additional templates. Let's continue with the customer-initiated type. We are also showcasing a video that highlights the different message types available. Text, media, media with captions, button messages, lists, sequences, WhatsApp flow, selecting WhatsApp templates, pre-saved message templates, linking existing bots. For commerce-based businesses, we offer additional features such as auto-checkout, order details, order status, single product, multi-product, catalog, and the option to ask for locations. You can also assign contacts to teams or individuals for manual replies. We are going to drag a button message into the workflow. At the top of the message, you will notice warnings. These warnings are automatically generated to help you avoid mistakes. You can review the warnings, address them, and proceed smoothly. This feature simplifies the bot building process and ensures accuracy. For example, the warnings will notify you if the header is invalid, if the text is empty, if no button has been added for a button type, or if the button is not valid. This ensures that your bot is error-free and ready to use. Additionally, if you want to change the header type, for example, from text to a media header or from a media header to a text header, you can easily do so by clicking on the vertical three-dot menu. For media headers, you can import or upload media, such as videos, images, or documents. You can also check the supported types of media and their allowed sizes for images, videos, and documents to ensure compatibility. Furthermore, you can switch the button type to a list type. For list type, you can provide a list of options along with a button text. When a user taps the button in the message, a modal will appear displaying the available options. This flexibility allows you to create a highly interactive and engaging bot. I'm going to remove the list type and continue editing the button type. While editing the text header, you can see the maximum characters allowed, making it easier to stay within the limit. Additionally, you can add a variable, such as the customer's name, phone number, or email. Alternatively, if you have a custom column name, you can use that as well. For the body content, you have more formatting flexibility to enhance the appearance. Next, I'm going to create buttons, Get Started, Explore Features, and Customer Center. Once customers receive this message on WhatsApp, they can select a button to proceed. I'll link a list message to the Get Started button, allowing the bot to respond automatically when the button is clicked. For list messages, only a text header is allowed. After adding the header and body content, I'll create multiple sections and items, making it easy and convenient for customers to select an option without typing anything. If the content is long, you can zoom in and out using the buttons at the bottom right corner or by pinching on the trackpad. This makes it easier to navigate and adjust your view as needed. Following this, I'm adding multiple buttons and linking them to list options. For demonstration purposes, I'm copying the same content. However, you can customize the text content based on your specific needs. If a customer needs human support, we should provide an option for that as well. Here, I'm demonstrating how to assign the conversation to a team or an individual for personalized assistance. You can also send a message after assigning it, letting the customer know the support team will contact them shortly. Before publishing, ensure the bot is validated by checking all links are configured correctly and the messages are appropriate. If the customer doesn't select a given button or list, and you want to provide additional instructions or information, you can use the anchor near the body content to add those details. Any message type can be used for this purpose. To keep this video concise, I've left some buttons and list options without connecting them to the appropriate next message. For real-time use cases, you can configure them based on your specific needs. Once all steps are complete, proceed to publish the bot. While publishing, we may encounter errors. Here, I encountered an error indicating the starting points are not linked. Let's resolve this issue and republish the bot. Once published, it's important to test the bot thoroughly to ensure it works as expected by following guidelines. After testing the bot, I'll set it up for auto-reply. Navigate to the Automation section in the main menu, then select the Conversation Initiated by Customer tab. There, you'll find a button to select a template or bot. Click that button, choose the bot we created, enable auto-reply for customer-initiated messages, and save the settings. Now, whenever a customer sends a message, this bot will automatically respond. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. That's it. Thanks for watching this video.